This painting by Gabriele Münter is a wonderful addition to our collection because here we see Münter, who was active with the Blue Rider, German Expressionist movement based in Munich. You can see her experimenting with brushwork. So she is working in landscape, which is a genre that the Impressionists started using and exploiting to experiment with brushwork and light and how to capture those effects. So again, she turns to landscape to be experimental, but she takes her experimentation in a different direction. You can see that she's really celebrating paint and everything that it makes possible. In some areas, she's adding more medium to the pigment so that the brushwork is looser. There's other areas where she builds up an impasto. You can see where she lets us actually look at the support. You can see the cardboard support through some of the painting. You get that cloisonné style that Gauguin is known for. I think what's so interesting is you see how in a relatively small space she can be sort of experimental to the maximum extent.